This video is to let people know where this problem is originating from. This is a problem with turn signals going out and the AC blower going out, and they're both affected by a wire that's going down to the transmission. It's the wiring harness going to the neutral safety switch, I believe, and it keeps on blowing number 10 fuse in this box right here. And I took everything out of here to find out if there was anything rubbing up here, and to find out it was underneath this 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I don't know if I can get a good picture of it. Crawl underneath this vehicle, and it's right under the driver's side. There's a linkage close to it, and it's this piece right here. It's got 3 wires coming out of it. It was rubbing against the metal, it cut into it, so I pushed it away from it, and I still gotta probably tape it up and put a wire strap to get it out of the way. And that stopped the fuse from blowing out, and now I got my turn signals and my air condition blower working now. I'm gonna try this out. And it wasn't that easy to figure out, guys. So I'm going to put the fuse so you guys can see. This is not the right one, but I'm just putting it in there to check this system out because it blew out all the other fuses I've had. There you go, my AC is working. My turn signals are working now too. That's just something crazy. So why don't you guys find it quick. There you go.